Okay, sorry guys, my video stopped, so I just remaking it. Well, I'm not remaking it, but like, filming it again, kind of sorta. So this turned out like this orange peach. So we're gonna set it down. We're gonna fix these slimes to make sure they don't connect to each other just yet. So this one and this one are done. So they're gonna head on up there. So now we're gonna mix this blue and this purple. This is purple. This is the blue. Let's see, get her done. We're probably gonna make a YouTube video with Duke later. My horse.
Yeah.
So we'll probably do that later. So this just turned like really light purple. Didn't really change anything. So it's gonna go up there. So now we're gonna mix this purple and this cloud slime together. You guys have already seen them, so I think it's gonna make it like magenta, possibly, or just like really stay the same. Yeah, just stay the same, but it's like a bumpy texture now. Yeah. So now we're going to, oh my God, are you kidding me? I moved the camera, sorry. So now we're gonna be mixing the big cloud slime, the big blue, the big purple, and the big orange all together to see what color it makes. Comment down below what color you think it's gonna be. He's like, I don't want to. No, bad camera. We had the purple and the pink right here.
And it is as much as I can get it off. Okay guys, I have tried. I attempted it and never try to do that again. Guys, here's a life lesson. Never try to fit slime in a little container if you know it's not gonna fit. I learned that the hard way.
Yeah, I'll show you what happened, what he did
Yeah.
at the end of the video.
Really bad. So don't judge me.
So this is how it turned out. This is just the purple and the cloud slime. So it turned out just like this one, so.